This is Nisha's mom, future callers. I need a Guyanese friends. When I come to Guyana, I could come link with you.
Is current Ghana like everywhere? Because I see a lot of shops don't have.
I'm scared, boy. So I'm not go home. I have to stay here. We're in the darkness.
I'm in current Ghana.
Yeah, it's got all the shops down there.
In a car.
You're good?
Deuces, bitch. Peace out. She's going back. Alright, give me that cap then.
Ah!
Let me see how it fit me.
This is Ziggy's hat. It's not mine.
Ziggy never give me nothing yet.
Ow! Oh my god.
See if it fit me. Put the camera.
It doesn't suit you.
My son-in-law cap me. Take care.
Son-in-law.
Son-in-law. Ziggy, give me a cap. Ziggy,
No.
give me a cap.
Give it to me.
Ziggy, who you give cap to? Eh?
I know it's funny, you know, because you buckled the hat on my hair, so my piece of my hair was in it.
Ziggy, look how I cap I look good for me.
Yes.
And it goes in my shirt.
Show
Mommy, no way. Okay, please let me wear it down.
No.
Because I want to finish. No, we have a video to do.
You know, I'll bring it back. I know that.
So this is what they do in Jamaica here. They gamble. I'm joking. No. Why are you hiding your face? Your face isn't going. Look, your boobs, all I can't put all that. Anyways, they're chilling on the Gaza, gambling, playing bingo. This is how we do it in Jamaica. You see, humble and just chilling. But money.
Fucking hell.
Nice. Wait, why are you going on it? Like to ride it or just to sit?
Just sit on it.
She's such a You wish you can ride it. I know.
Nisha's mom is the.
You're looking at here. You're looking over here.
Mom is actually. I love bikes. I mean.
Guess what? Everyone says they love your teeth.
I would give away my truck for the bike.
Do you know what they said?
Yeah.
Everyone said that they love your teeth. Your teeth are
real.
You're so extra, I swear.
Future callers mom is 45 and I don't even look it. Ladies,
you look like 60.
And ladies, I just enjoy life to the fullness.
But yo, you need a little bumper.
Cock
it out, no, cock out the bumper. You need some more bum for that.
Okay, fine.
I'm joking. I'm just kidding.
Bike is my life in JA.
Wait. So guys, my farewells for now. But you know, you already know your girl gonna be back at the place anytime soon.
Oh yeah, for real.
I haven't found a way, but say bye, mommy.
My girl for life. My first baby when I was 16 years old.
It was a truck that he hit. But yeah, guys, you guys will see more of her. Good morning. It's kind of a sad morning because I am heading home and I don't want to leave, but I have to leave. So I'm here packing up my stuff and getting dressed. Hate this part. Ziggy's in the shower, about to make some tea and pack up my stuff. Oh boy, back to reality.
Right now we're on our way to the airport. I don't know why my camera is having too many problems right now, but... I've done this so much times, it's like I still hate this part. Really so quiet. You know, every time I'm leaving here, I always like this in the car. Because it always is so quiet. Until next time,
acting shy. You can come say hi before the rain comes. Oh, how are you? Why are you scared to say hi? You can say hi.
I got scared when I saw you.
Or like, oh, like shocked? Really? How are you? Are you making or are you leaving? Yeah, I just wanted to. What time's your flight?
What flight?
She's shy. I don't know why she's shy right now. Now you're gonna see yourself on YouTube. Oh, the meet and greet?
Yeah. When I saw you the other day, I was like,
I'm outside, you know, because I don't want to go. I was like praying they would be like, oh, there's no more seat on the flight. Do you want to give up your seat?
I was probably a little bit that from.
He's like, this guy gave me a kiss and hid my face. Why? It. Beer. Anyways, guys, that's it. Howdy. Okay, so I'm here eating. I just lost my appetite completely. Completely lost my appetite because I am just so sad. Let me tell you guys how I was coming up the escalator just now, and there was almost a traffic jam because this little girl's shoelace got stuck. We were all like trampling. I was like, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. But anyways, I am beyond sad right now. I've been doing this for like 2 years, and it seems like it's just getting harder and harder every time for the both of us. Like last night Ziggy didn't even sleep, and I kept tossing and turning. It's just like, it's getting too much now. It's hard. It's really hard. I'm even gonna cry. I don't wanna cry. I don't wanna cry. So I'm gonna stop the video right here because I don't wanna cry. But that time for me to board. I'm on a connecting flight, even though I said I wasn't gonna do more connecting flight, but I'm on a connecting flight to Charlotte. I'm gonna be there for a couple hours and then straight to Toronto.